Hey little ones, how are you? Well, today I stayed up very late working and everybody's asleep. Everybody's asleep now, so I'm going to try to read very, very soft. Not that soft, but soft, okay? Grandpa's Quilt. Grandpa lived with Anna, Ben, and Lily. Grandpa sat in his bed all winter long. He read stories to Anne, Ben, and Lily. Grandpa loved his cozy quilt. Red and yellow were his favorite colors. But Grandpa's quilt was too short. His toes were very cold. The children turned the quilt around. Grandpa's toes were still cold. Anna cut off the top of the quilt. She sewed it to the bottom. Grandpa's toes were still cold. Ben cut and sewed. He made the red star into a red diamond. Grandpa's toes were still cold. Lily cut out all the squares. She sewed them together again. Now the quilt was long and thin, just like Grandpa. Grandpa's toes were warm all winter long. I hope you like it. It's short, but it's pretty cute. How would you name the grandsons? Did you know that nietos is said grandson?